Introducing the UNICLED Korean Mask, the only LED light mask on the market with over 1,000 LED lights and 7 wavelengths for 7 specific skin solutions. With the red light, you can work on your wrinkles, smooth them, minimize them, and most importantly, with a weekly maintenance session, you can prevent more from appearing. The green light is an anti-spot light that helps to remove those melanin-stained spots that are so unpleasant and start to accumulate with age. The acne light, the blue light, works to sweep away the acne bacteria that cause those pimples. Those moments when we need to clear our imperfections, eliminate them, and smooth them. The yellow light provides lymphatic drainage. This light is infotensive, restores luminosity and that youthful, dewy look to your face. The water blue light is a Zen light, a calming light, improves cellular oxygen regeneration, and allows your skin to no longer feel fatigued. It's the perfect light for after a workday, when we feel very tired, or after a day of travel, if we want to restore that relaxed look to our face. The purple light is the perfect ally of the blue, anti-acne light, because this light, the purple light, works to eliminate the marks and scars that pimples may have left. The white light, the light. Firming is a light that will allow you to have completely firm skin. Smooth and enjoy that better muscle tone and skin to look beautiful all the time. Side